Hello there. We've seen further wintry showers push their way in throughout Boxing Day, and this is set to continue overnight and into Tuesday. It brings the continued risk of ice and snow to various locations. Ice particularly across the west and the north where those showers are falling onto frozen surfaces. Snow particularly over upland areas where we'll see further accumulations above 200 metres or so. Regardless, it will be a fairly chilly night for all of us, particularly where we hold on to some of those clearer skies further east, a widespread frost developing, perhaps even down as low as -6, where we've got some lying snow. So a fairly chilly start to Tuesday morning. As we move throughout the week, our attention, in terms of the weather at least, is turning more towards the Atlantic, and we'll see low pressures and frontal systems moving their way in, initially bringing some milder air behind that, but as that band of rain pushes its way into the colder air ahead, that will readily turn to snow during Tuesday. So again, the cloud building from the southwest, which will reduce the ice risk, but snow certainly over higher levels, another 5 to 10 centimetres building up throughout the day. Turning fairly wet and damp after that, the snow turning to rain later on, and we'll see the breeze developing as that frontal system moves through as well. Generally the far northern Isles, Orkney and Shetland staying driest for the longest throughout the day. Otherwise, it is set to turn milder with those winds now coming up from the south, so actually climbing towards highs of 9 degrees Celsius across the central belt. But where we hold on to that colder air in the north over those northern Isles, it is going to stay fairly brisk throughout the day. As we move onwards to Wednesday, it is going to stay fairly unsettled, with that band of rain continuing to push its way northwards, again eventually reaching the northern Isles later on, with a band of showers pushing in afterwards. Wednesday then looks like a fairly cloudy day. We've got another frontal system that will gradually push its way from the south, only really affecting Galloway and the borders regions later on in the day, and most areas from sort of central belt northwards will stay dry but fairly cloudy and drab throughout the day. It is set to be another mild day, particularly once we see that cloud pushing in from the south. Again, highs around 7-8 degrees, and just a bit cooler than that further north, but now with more cloud in place it will probably be slightly warmer compared to Tuesday. Do keep up to date with the forecast, and with further fronts moving through, it is certainly possible that warnings may be issued. So you can find all of our latest information on social media, on our website, and we'll be back here again shortly. Bye bye.